Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Pretty cool graphic and pretty easy to make. And we're going to make it with math. I'm going to take an ellipse and hit P, and I'm going to make it 20 inches. 20 inches. I said 20, but I hit 10. I'm going to go to the effects and contour. I'm going to contour 3 times at 1.5 inches. And I get that right there. I'm going to immediately go to break the contour apart. I'm going to select them all. I'm going to go to Object and Ungroup All. Now I'm going to make a 3-inch ellipse. And I'm going to hit P. And then I'm going to hold down the Shift key and select this outer circle and hit P. Now I'm going to make a 1-inch ellipse. I'm going to hit P. It doesn't really matter in this case. But I'm going to select it first, Shift select my circle, and hit EC, which put it in the center. Now for a second, I'm going to group this together. And then I'm going to Control D to make a duplicate and Alternate C to have it rotate. And I'm going to rotate it 45 degrees all the way around. Now I need to go and ungroup it just so I can cut some lines, and it might not be that big a deal. And if you kind of do this in an order, if you'll take and go one way or the other and just keep hitting this line, whoop, so I must have a little, either I got too overzealous or, yeah, good. I thought I had messed up. So when you're using those P, it'll put it right there. Now we need to go the opposite way and cut out this inside line. And if you'll just go around the circle, it'll be a lot easier to keep track of what you're doing. And then we just need to cut down one more line or 2 more lines. So we could go here and here, there and there. So going outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside, outside, inside. And there might even be a way to do part of this and then rotate it. And there you have it. Now let's take them all and make them a little bit thicker line. Make them all black, and you get that right there. Or you could do what I did and make them all yellow to make them really stand out. It kind of looks like a chain in a way, with some space between the chain. Really kind of easy, a little bit of fun, a lot of deleting. I bet you there's a way I could probably do it in a pie shape and rotate it around. Anyway, hope that was a little bit of fun, and thank you for watching.